Hello students, today we will have a revision of fourth lesson, formatting a document. So in that revision part, so first of all we'll see brain developer section, exercise portion, exercise section. So in this first point is fill in the blanks. By default text is aligned to the dash margin. Okay, by default text is aligned to the dash margin. Answer is left. So by default text is aligned to the left margin. Dash is the vertical distance between successive lines of the text. Answer is line spacing. Line spacing is the vertical distance between successive lines of the text. We can change the font size by clicking on the font size drop down button on the dash tab. Answer is home tab. We can change the font size by clicking on the font size drop down button on the home tab. Answer is home tab. Dash case converts the case of every selected character in the reverse manner. Answer is toggle. Toggle case converts the case of every selected character in the reverse manner. A dash is a small graphic symbol that sets off an item in a list. Answer is bullet. A bullet is a small graphic symbol that sets off an item in a list. So next part is true or false. By default, Microsoft Word sets the font to Calibri body. Answer is true. Okay, by default Microsoft Word sets the font to Calibri. It is true statement. Justified alignment means that the text is aligned with the left margin. So statement is false. Justified alignments means text is aligned evenly to the left and right margin. Okay, so that is called a justified alignment. So given statement is false. Next, okay, so next question. We can apply bullets to a text document by selecting the bullets button. Okay, it is true. So given statement is true. We can apply bullets to a text document by selecting the bullets button. The bold button is used to display the text in a darker shade than the rest of the text. Statement is true. So given statement is true. Bold button is used to display the text in a darker shade than the rest of the text. The default line spacing for most quick style sets is 1. Okay, so it is false. The given statement is false. A word or a sentence can be underlined along with spaces. It is true. Okay, so answer is true. And application based questions are given here. Ritika is about to take the printout of the birthday card which she has designed. So Ritika has designed one birthday card and she wants to take the printout. But before printing it, she wants to ensure that the card is well drafted as per the desired requirements. But before taking the printout, she wants to confirm whether that card or whether the design has been set it properly or no, it is well drafted or no. So she wants to ensure, she wanted to confirm. What should she do? Okay, so what she has to use or which option she has to use for ensuring that the card is well drafted as per the requirement. So answer is she can check through print preview. Okay, she can check through print preview whether so that card design has been drafted or no. Okay, print preview option she can use. The science teacher of Madhav has asked him to create a list of the students of his class and enter their marks onto it. Okay, marks into it. What will you suggest him to apply to the list in order to set off each name in the list? Okay, so science teacher asked the mother to prepare the list of the students of his class and enter their marks. Okay, he is going to enter the marks. So what are we going to suggest him to apply the this one? What is that? To set off each name in the list means to highlight that here he can apply numbering to the list. So we have bullets and number option. He can use that numbers option to confirm how many students are there, and that bullet, sorry, that numbers, so it will be displayed in a order. Okay, next comes multiple choice questions. Dash alignment is used to set the text evenly between the left and the right margins. Answer is justify. Justify alignment is used to set the text evenly between the left and the right margins. The default line spacing for most quick style sets is dash. Answer is 1.15. The default line spacing for most quick style sets is 1.15. The font size box is available on the dash tab. Answer is home tab. The font size box is available on the home tab. Default tab stops are set at every dash inch. So answer is 0.5 inch. So default tab stops are set at every 0.5 inch. Okay, I hope you have understood these points. Now fill in the blanks, true or false, and multiple choice, and answer the following. You read yourself. Already answers are given. Thank you for watching.